No, anonyitela tie.
It's fine.
Wewe no kotoda ubuka studio cha Panda, nozvibona treatment yaone.
So you can use both.
I can.
Oh.
You know, it's just for like tea to the service. So they can't sort of bring a coffee in here, over here.
Oh.
So. Am I lying? Imagine you go a coffee na phone. Of which they should start doing it. Ula utukunya. Obo robe ya unonga toy.
Yo.
Na kuheshe. Anga no do shuta.
Hey.
Rodorera mavidzele ya zwi. Ono join the funeral. Oh, you don't think you're going anyway?
This other pastor once said, once you do that, you are preparing yourself for a funeral.
Pastor, I'm pretty sure they had one. Don't you think?
I do have. But I usually use the banks.
Oh, yeah. Did the pastor say anything about the car insurance? Or Nina yo?
That is the accident?
No. Kanuna ya kereke. Zimwe zikereke dzeitati.
Diva imwe.
So as I was still saying to you guys, coming at you live from Panda Studios, whenever it was the podcasting, live video streaming, anything, as well as video. Out of a video, I'm watching it before and after. Just know Panda can always do that for you with a high quality service. So yeah, if you want to contact them on 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com. Baona 38 Mele Street. So who is one and except to review when you're pakosa pakiwa.
Yeah.
I wonder how you guys
do it. Chimbranga Grace. Una petu ne ausoko jena umwe na umwe.
Ndikufuna Grace do you climpiwa.
Una petu ne murena vato vechirori. Hapa ndiya vananga na wanori omuntu jenisa ndaso chirizi chifanela vane achingoba fanela. Zvinova ukamba zvizori unena pfuri autoyujena mutu na mutu jenawo. So these are the examples. Zvavambori chiri chedziri kwamba mini.
So besides into inoni parking vo cause parking like ndichiwe chimwe chitsinya you were like hapa ndiro ndazi kufit ojena pamara I went in.
Ndizvinjisa zvine rangamba chiridzi yo ndizvinji na une ndava hone zvino ti ndingatomubudza uri ndechiridzi.
Where are you?
Ndipetu ne right now as I speak. Ndimufumakadzi omari wawo at this age. See?
What age?
At
this age like
una age nenda vakayo I know uruna vatu vanje vane vakurira mbingano. Ndiyazidona zvo uruna vatu vanje vane vakurira vana. Ndiyazidona uri una vaimbi vanje vane vakurira une nenda vaona. So I know uri hezvi zvito asinga uri ndotova wakwine kana ndotova nazvo zvine ndazvikonesa. Ndiyazvidivana zvo ndechirizi and una vatu vane ndiyazvidivana zvori vanga vachiimba umpira mara vava vakoborosvikira zvinhu ndonozvisvikerera samuroshi kana samuimbi ozvivana. So ndizvo zvine ndangambori ndichiridzi nauchiro vune ndava nawo ndichiridzi ngori nane ndorari.
I think you're in great crime. It's chelete.
Una vatu varina chiriti vakorirawo man. Una vatu varina chiriti vakorirawo ndakomukotodambori navuchiro vune ndava navo ndichiridzi. Azvitikotoambori ndimuketwa umwe ndiyakaka umwe mudzimba adinzumbedzo this is wrong mara vadineya chiridzi chavori I'm giving you another chance uchira. So that's grace.
Then the usori mtu achiri ndiyakakana nevo ndi mutu. Vatu vakukakami. Ngamande veva vaimbi. Vatu vanguluga vanda.
Ndikambori zvino angadinka ndachikunonenda kakisa ya awana ndompindura ngandira ine you are not expecting what I can answer you in this way. Not usemana. Usemana not being aggressive or in a way of responding ngandira ine obasongo expect nane we like that konkandira mini kwa tukambori ndazviita ndikotoamba just for an example. Vakwata. Was for I don't think she was supposed to, in this way. Chimwe chipinga neonori I mean muthu ndi muthu ri khou lusa mani ri khou lusa u vhasa Kristo mara kha zwoṱhe ri vha ri khou lusa
Yeah, and then also while we're speaking of grace, hanefha mathomoni zvino because rikha ḓivha mathomoni you spoke of like marriage, like vana na mini, and they were supposed to shoot last year. Then you're like, then you're like, ndi ḓoḓa mara
because one that's the vela was like ish
after delivery
because one and after delivery mrena from what it was after event ndadova ndamba ndobalo wana chipinga. So when you say hey it's Kingsley and I was like I remember, and the appeal was supposed to be last year. Because when she was on the grace.
So how old is the baby now?
She's 8 months. Yeah, so I'm a mother of 4 girls.
4 girls?
4 girls, yes.
I'm rich. 500,000 nako do jena ngi.
Andi thuku 5 ai.
Ho.
500,000 thuku.
Kwa uti malonga bugai bana bana.
Murena vha ḓo amba nono yana ḓuvha khou vha dzhia uri this one is worth this time. Mara I don't think I think rono vhuya nda zwi amba na kutsa vhana vhara vhana vhanga ava badeliwi ti.
Yeah.
Mara
must marry one of them. Are they old enough?
We know
If as a badeliwi.
No, ava badeliwi mara ri khou tenda kho ri nga tshetsho tshifhinga. Chichitenda honoyo muthu ḓo tou vhona zwo fanelaho. It's just a way of appreciating, not uri I'm paying to have your, you know, I'm paying for this to have this lady ngori vha ḓo thoma u ni shumisa sa object ngori I bought you
ndo badela
ndo badela na ono sina lufuno u tshi vho to shumisa muthu sa slave.
Were you bought or were you appreciated?
No, my parents were appreciated and I told them ish please don't be hard on him. Ava munna ndiko vafuna na nkondisera jambo ri ndingani ḓo mbalela vho bethi ya bala arali me akhozi vha to dzula uri ne wana nga ngo ḓo tonga 1 million ngo zwa vhukuma na wana ṅwana wa vhathu hana nayo 1 million mara vhana vha khou funana ambo ḓi ṱoya ḓi maela muṅwe wa 1 million a ḓa mutambudzela zwezwo. I mean zwithu sa mine zwithu
and then are we done kana ukha ḓi with Grace ntha 4 probably another 4 It would be nice. Ndabona da ko purvoria. Abo fimi mini mtawa lwanje. So you know. Chipanga chichisuka murena ḓo ri vhudzira hai. Go for another one. Yeah. And then how old is the eldest?
She's 11.
11. Ndi vatuku ma 11. At the age, the 11. Now I think I did the calculation. I'll just ask it then.
I'm not going to tell you my age, but I'll tell you their age.
Yeah, their ages.
There's 11. There's 7. More than 6 this year.
7 and 6.
You said you won't do the calculations.
Sorry. Mara, you guys can do it for me. 7 and 6.
Yeah, there's 11, 7 and 6, and then this one is 8 months.
Yeah. Okay, no, it's okay.
Yep.
Yeah, parent. Koro question ai.
Hola mwendo wa COVID.
Mupio.
Oh, you are 6 years.
Oh, roko boreya.
Yeah. That COVID jamboria, you have to do
people your had a lot of
mathematics. Yeah, we had a lot of time. I mean, and the chishpinga but to nani kudzura na muthu ane nasa fhedzi si tshifhinga naye thi COVID yo ikori kombetshedza uri there's closed doors, no one going out, so you had time to bond with your partner. Then if when niko to muḓivha uri zwa vhukuma kuma ava muthu vhane ndavha navho are we really meant to be together. Vhaṅwe vha khou lwa nga tshifhinga ngori vha sa kona u dzula vhoṱhe. Vhaṅwe vha khou kona u thoma u vhona uri okay, this is what my wife likes, this is what my husband likes. So zwa kona u thusa u fhaṱa miṱa minzhi hezwo zwithu. So now no yo bebiwa lufunoni. Yeah.
At least but we dipina COVID and wanga rikolira. But kama vule magete. Yeah, and then also you had those looks that you weave in. I mean, what happened to that look? Unotomo that look out of nowhere.
That one it is no to change na no in kwaru and kono zibona. At first I used to like love the wiki.
The wiki
not izote.
Na zafana.
Ando tumanga the wiki happen ne. The wiki zotolukiwa. Wiki.
We know losing a loved one is never easy. At MR21 Funerals and Insurance, we understand the importance of celebrating life with respect, care, and personalized attention. Join our packages from as little as 100 Rand and have a dignified funerals for yourself or your loved ones. For further assistance, contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252, or you can contact them on their which is 061-509-0775. or visit them at Happy's Car Wash Complex, Chukudini, opposite Harikotso. And also you can find them on their website, which is www.mr21.co.za, and follow them on all their social media platforms, which is MR21 Funerals and Insurance. MR21, true respect.
Yeah, vava chiri dziwiki the bonding
Oh yeah, bonding.
so manga bonding from varsity and then I came back na continue rajana the braiding and the cutting time in like I was in and out but I was not sure I was not sure the cut mara I sat down with my husband and my husband was like, you are a brand, you know, so people need to know you. Or when we talk about Newi ndi mutu mupio, can someone describe you now? Because tomorrow you are on a weave, the next day you on a cut, the braiding, but so you
need to have one look.
Yeah, stick to one look. Don't confuse about.
And then bafuna if you want to
bafuna is
that's the intro.
That's the wiki.
As this was our
someone was the wiki.
And then Janu and we're married as a celeb na mini. It's just because I feel like you're a celeb. Funny enough, this other time Rakambangazori, Watu Anoimba, Babola, the sports stars, all these people, these are celebs. And now you're married, you have these kids, you have this look. But what I was called, hey, well, I'm to Azikati, I'm to our women, all those things. People can say whatever they want with you if you're a celeb and married. And then do you try and keep those things away from me? But one thing about us, we'll talk. I want about at least I
know what TV.
No.
Nah,
let me see a picture. Let me see a picture.
No, it's about Google. The Ramsey. Yeah. Mutu arrange deba mutu ka social media na for Rams Media Production. That's my husband.
Don't offend Ramsey. You're really Ramsey. I don't know him.
So kuma?
Yeah. Okay, maybe you are at invested Corey. You know said that mutu. Okay, the one only mutani aba.
Ndizvezvo angadowana ngori ukufocusisa kanewe onodiva bona mara tutovacherana ndenavo even dada nawo
usinovasa movie ndiweweda the diko sinzwa chinepe I've seen this picture. Oh.
Yeah, that's my husband.
It looks like your brother though. Somebody love ndia kukuma ne?
Yeah ne? Nabiana but vanofunana vambodipezera vachikufana vafana. At first when rasafani mara zvino ndiyefuna mangala vatu vachiri hey you look alike. I was like
yeah, that's what people saying about mara now. Nane ndikotondere nechi chance ndichimara.
No nichitoma ningafani. Hayi.
Eish.
Nidofana zvezvini kunofarisana ndira nikokonodhivori okay I think we need to upfana gai utenderana gai agonova nikuti ujoinana.
Yeah. Okay. And then now I don't know into ice break up when you diva mtu zvino navo Rams ngova diva. Yeah, so I think I started knowing you from the song Ngangova Mrena. I'm pretty sure it's a lot of people. So was there any other song in Ayona before that and true? Yeah, where the builder up to Ngangova Mrena.
Yeah, there was a song that we did before Ngangova Mrena project. There was a project I did later 2015. Chiva chamusi ndikadhiva pano Pitori and ndandikushuma kaimwe kampani nyana so ndambodiyara recorder zvino mara ngesho chipingai ndakubototuma ndikotomotakuwa it was my first time ndikodiintroduce ka vatu vasatotodhiva uri who is Newi neuimba music the people at first they thought uri Newi ndimwe tribe asi muvenda because ndotoma pano Pitori and ndichitoma Pitori zinyembo dzandinadzo nji dzava dzichikuwa
also
yes uzvana and vatu vanji vasatotodhiva uri una dzina rinopfi Newi. They used to say Nyuwi. Yeah, and then we did that album. Okay, mara it was only Gauteng, not a small portion of Gauteng I receive zvavudi vavenda ati vona uri ndivanji ve vaitanganidza because they didn't know that person and enda ndikuembesa ngachikuwa. I think nachivenda chenda ndochimwarai chachoyesa kachikuwa kudzorelekwa zvitu so it was not easy to reach out karushaka rwavavenda Yeah, ari tori yo itiwa album, but then
I see, yeah, we are going to one.
yeah, yasvika nepo murene varai, this is enough.
Yeah.
This is how far you can go.
And then why are you trying English? Because you were saying all you were complaining about
Pitori.
interview.
Dandi Pitori. No, it is not Katitoma.
You were complaining, hey, I bet how much cool was interview me. They're like, hey, now at least.
My first project in Dishitoma. I didn't know Urudaba National to the interview.
Oh, yeah.
Dance ako, Zodu Dindasako, dance songo, that's a contender or in Dingava, an artist.
That big.
Then I noted Nakori, the moments Zana one, I could dimbera kerekeni. Ka worship team apo ari mbo leader kereke yabva mara ndo vandu songo sedza kha uri limwe ḓuvha I will host an event ine it will be nne on the front abangwe ba dito support une ninga wana uri na dzi camera there has to be interviews, there has to be invitations. So this is not for mara this thing is serious. As compared according to kerekeni, hallelujah, let's sing, let's pray. So go many people will want to know more about me. They want to know where I come from, how did I come about where I am. So not on was one. And then that's on go be under the Zori Tangwending. I want to do yes, that was my first project. That's Janangwe Kareke Nayo. And
is
then
that where you started singing?
Yes. Kareke yeah. So I think the influence ya unena bahone it really matters. Ngori na miraiza ine na vaniko iwana. Iva ika risimani chikuwa kuzibana so nazo two nene ndaba ndikoti yongwala ziba go influence wanga message une ndaba ndiko wana nga chicho chipinga so ziyambori I need to spend my time reading the Bible in English. Even when the Holy Spirit gives me song, then they have to come in a way I will understand it better. Ngachikuwa because one and nauri unenda ba one what is my reason of writing this song where I am. Ndipetune ukimwa chikuwa ndipetune hotangana na the culture. Then yes, I need to use a song that people will understand.
True.
So that's where I started my music journey. And it was like that.
And then you spoke of how you didn't know you were going to do interviews, telling people where you come from, Namini, of which now I need to know, where are you from?
Nezo Dubuditi, Nendo Bebiro Flefontaine.
Oh, kind one.
Yes. And in this door, what one you got in Vatando.
I would assume that also.
Nendi va Flefontaine, ene pala niko vaka N1, nijingana kwa yera ili, nisa toshika ilimu, nemwe badini na offering pakayo niko piranga uya ilimu.
Amatenzi maulu.
Ene pala, ndi Flay, di mwana wabo Salume, Singo, Mabara, kutsi anga boroba. And then bafi Andresi, ndanganeni Singo. Niso ndi mwana wa Singo. Nemadzina opera ndi Ronewa.
Oh, that is when Zumla Newing. I don't know why all these years into Zumla.
Yeah, and if you Ronewa single before I got married, and then she married away the Ronewa Tabarada.
Oh, I'm going to say double barrel.
No, no,
you don't believe in that.
I'm not going back.
Oh, that's what it means. Uri, I might go back. Like you,
my faith tells me I'm not going back. So why I think bangoba because you ndaba yori no muwana already akayachila chifani. So koshabo uri ni dokhera na naye.
No.
Ngamanda batho bana they worry they've, ndonozibona kha bamwe bane ba keep zwisando zwifani zwibili. Na uri chifani chimwe chimwe chani yambelela.
Oh yeah, imagine chamdao phone.
Usban nanda sukandari ndi wanta balala falani ndiba mahosini so ni wana attention nyano ndiba mahosini khafi shango ndiba wanta balala bana shango batho nongenevo.
Okay, and then now you did this album ngango bamrenati I think it blew up, everyone knew about it so that was really the coming already scared line we know Reno Nikotio and you know it was going to be that big when you did it.
We didn't know. Gauri wait a minute.
I love this we. Who's we?
It's me and my husband. So she knows Akotaka and Zori. Hey Jenny. utoamba vongo atongoichimbira ndi ndote. Yeah, actually I started this journey with him. Yeah, because Richie Toma, when I met him, he was a friend by then. That time he was a friend. He was just a friend.
Yeah. That's what Nerchi offer.
Offer meaning?
He's just a friend.
I don't know when a partner is just a friend. Yeah, you should be concerned.
Yeah,
you should be concerned. Shami, you should be.
Yeah.
Yeah, nganda naro nabukazi nabukuma mara it's just a friend. Yeah. Sometimes it can't. So when I met him, at least I didn't have anyone. Then na partner. So ndichiva naye. So I would do the ish at the Venus and Mumis and I'm around now.
Yeah, we can go anywhere.
I think the time he was turning 18 years. 18 years. Ne? Did one some movie?
You know, you just don't want to give me his age.
Yeah.
You know very well.
Actually, 18 years. Me and my sister, he's not going to we'll go to him. Rabadare, Sabana Babu. Gori, Baba Nangwe group, Amazing Grace. Bafunzi Bumraza Shango. Baba Nangwe group, Amazing Grace. So, Renera Shifnet, Rejoimbara, Shifuno Pakari. Sunday school, Raya Kabasha, Raita Jabu Imberi, look at the conferences Zabukuma, the conferences Zabukuma, not easy. So, Tamba. Rishi Yara attenda.
What Amboge? Mara is true. Let's not see it. Mara I've seen also. So
yeah, that's very risky. Yeah, that's go on a conference and
yes.
Yeah, competitors ni Mara ya murau. But baby, when I conference, that was the only time you were allowed to sleep outside.
Yeah.
The conference.
And the parent felt safe.
Yes. And they really felt safe for it. This is where they need to belong. Like, this is where they belong. The Bahapa Kabanambi by Derekana Eve again, now was no problem. And there was none of the phone.
Yeah.
There was no phone on the secondary.
Yeah.
That's no phone. And there was no problem. Yori, Ngavio Chifinini and Govia Kerekeni, Kanambo, Deragaga, but she's not quite Kerekeni and in the Vianita Jakerek.
Yeah, true.
So Richia Skoroshivara on his conference Richia Nayachia Chiva Angerere Nerchivari Kovarifle. Then Rasokuba Bangani and Epalabukatini coming my nela. Arashi bed there re angi abafunzi. Bafunzi bambo the number and I think I was 12 years. Was it? No. Umpiranga 3 years.
So you were 15.
I was 15. So Rayangi vafunzi khavo landi n'wana wa vo mutukana ni va mufuna ngori va chita zwo tamba base nne na twin langa va khorifuna ngori ri ita zwo wimbe yeah
you have a twin
we are identical twins
really
yeah ndo mbona lingu duba
guy
na mbiza futhi
why don't you invite me for dinner
ndo wengo shuta
no uza kwendero ndo bona twin no bona ri
mara zuri petro ntina yo mariwa
well, what was get together? Don't go over Rams back on Gochana.
Maybe Tangwanga you are
the inviter, guys.
Yeah, so Rayange, Barindi, no one I'm to Kanako birthday. Let's go. Raya, Richange, as Nogori. This is Naskota Kwao, Nabakota Queen Babambudiri, Jenisaka ka item. Ako birthday, Nepalori, no Danabananga.
Yeah.
So I will want them to sing for him. We went there. And then we sang for him. Arasa kwera dvena zoro mtene na kuimbela lingwa dovai muti wabe yuapa udo udoba mfumakazi wawe uzibona okay ubva hapo rambo di barangana tindi vana ari divi chito
yeah
rabuya zvino nga 2015 urapero vya raimbera na zipatini yange ende zvino ungari konova na mafungo arufuno
yeah
dzakara zipupi tamwe
akezo wewe dzakara zipupi rikotenda
hey so it was not difficult for him to propose and say can you please be my girlfriend for yeah
how was it otozvitisana ngamulomo
no abo kadito zvasho zva Mexit abo Mexit kana WhatsApp 2015
it was like a WhatsApp probably
no utonga because of kotoma so
WhatsApp
yeah then I put something on status the number ndangwala uri ngona tonga ambisa ndikoni blogger and he was the first guy to say that or what if I do that the say and instead you already done blog instead you done blog I ain't gonna have blocking ngane we most of the number of tomo communicate over an app yeah then we meet up and after some years again rasiko klika yeah until rishiba serious na relationship yasho and then that's where he was like, you know what, you can sing and I see ori God is using you and bangamshumisa upirapo never because by that time ndandikotodimbela kerekeni zvezvila ndandozvibonisa zvone kodimbela kerekeni ndichivuya yani kereke yobva uchira yapanda ndadikitera mushumo uzvibona and I was at first I was not sure, hey, this is not what I was looking for, this is big, I can't. I was like, you can do this. My first project I had to take a loan because I was not sure, how do we start this, and I know one vision, this is what we're going to do. Adzanya team rothe rikototoma navolidza ndoni vokototoma one at that platform yori recorda na uringadivana
kazi TV. So you took amateurs from everywhere.
Yeah, not really amateurs.
No, kind of okay. Ndo shimsa ifila rock. But what are offended?
Yeah.
Mara like vatu vane vasa tutondivale.
Yeah, all of us rarikototoma. Rikototoma nindo rarikototoma. If you know, I think Andile. You know Andile? Andile Skosana. He's a very good guitarist and well known. There's Joe Masuo, a very good drummer. Bo Brian yeah, how about like nabo bakototoma and let's do this, we can do this. Raya project anaibona I think dibone ka YouTube.
Your YouTube.
Yeah, na igugula na gugula barmini look, everybody look ni they want ri hai dzovuya papetu ya dzovuya ukarotero soko vazvimwe sekene hauna weight hapo petu like mara nikosipona vatu vakorwera yeah vakorwera mara ndikotenda kori mini perseverance ti narutendo ndizvene zvari pusha uri we can do this and this is not the end of things. This is the start of things and this is the beginning of things that we are about to, utangana nazo uchironi. We just have to prepare ourselves. So we recorded the first album. It was great. He was also part of it. That's when he proposed me to be his wife. My first project.
Proposal ya wife this one. Was it like
while I was busy singing my last song, Tirko Recorder.
Is it there online?
Yeah.
I
think I capture. Did they?
They
didn't.
Yeah.
Yes. You katiwa ako propose. Zvezo recording yopera ndikoribwa vatu, my friend there, it is my friend. It's not my husband, it's not my fiance. Ndikademuribuwa ambo dichia maiki. Avakanyagwambo ndari ndonopedzoribuwa musi. Avako anyagwambo risatoribuwa then ambo digwadama over proposal.
And it indikerike ngaro kunyagorosha.
Kuzwana. Yeah. Agwadama vapana nambo the proposal, please be my wife.
Did you say yes same time?
I was the breathe in, but I was excited and happy. Gornando dozori atukotodochera bushiro buni babanaze regrets ngangom. Ningasere ndiko minister while I'm busy, doing things that when you're on stage you feel guilty ish, how ish uchifunzwa nsokufunga kufunzwa ngainwi. Ngoriti kuna zwithu zwine ndozvitona zori hezwi ndine. Ningasimse chando vafunzi hezwi ndine, especially when it comes to worship team. We know uri una zvithu zvine muvi uthasera ngazvo. Zvithu zvavatukana navasidzana uyathasera ngazvo.
Ndinotanga udiwa wewe as worship team.
Yeah, ngori Satan wazvidiwa uri there's power in worship. And wazvidiwa nazvori urosha mudzimu zviyavhura mavhoti manji. And ona vatu vanje vane vadakerekeni vachikotodera mudzimu ambe navo through worship. So udoshumisa hoyo ane ako itori eno orari atoyowana pathochezo dzawe ngorosha mudzimu. Zvino whatever you carry zvine imwi nala nimaniko zvispreada kavatu vane nako vaspreadere zvindikoimba nichita zofanikita nichikoimba nikoita zvotsva nivanikoisa muya wotsva kavatu.
Hey, he just said something deep.
It's very dangerous. Ndingazonawa uri nivuwe zvidokonda. Nawa ni muroshi uri nivuwe. You will really have to engage yourself into serious fasting and prayer.
Wait, why literally uwakana utowa like anchakonorosha. Like anchakonorosha.
Yeah. And when you barono fa zvine mudzimu wako toda. navo ita zviḽa zwo to entertaina vhathu o ṅwana na vho ita zwiḽa zwine ngo na musi ni khou imba ni to zwi vhona zwori kereke a i khou vhuya ṱanganedza zwine na khou amba zwone
ngo vhalemela vhathu
ya na to pfa muthu o ḓo takala a tshi ṱuwa a ri ngo ṱhoya nga i khou rema iṅwe ni khou to
ngo mushela zwithu zwanu
ngo shela zwithu zwanu man like vha lwo shikha ri litshe hezwi zwithu it's very dangerous so that is why una maanḓa khori vha dani feel mudzimu more uri zwinzhi release ni a ḓivha na zwori even if it's one person that God spoke to through what I was doing
at least
dzina ḽa mudzimu kha ḽi rendo yeah
and would you say your voice was like, because you spoke of perseverance would you say it's all about perseverance and there was also a given talent with you?
Both.
Yeah. So not when you are talented mara was to jiranta then zwa tua.
Yeah. Ni avana gift mara ngozwa vhukumanisa kondeleli. Zwo tangana na uri mudzimu khoni chimbidzana. Ni avana gift zwithu zwanu zwa nchimbilela zwavhuḓi but mara na sabe na influence kha vhana vha mudzimu. Na vhana na murena na sabe na gift. Mara arali Yehova vha khoni tshimbedzana wana ola muthu ngo wa koto bvela nga nḓila ine ani pfhesesa uri a bvela ani asa koni u imba kana a bvela ani asa koni u tshina mara just because bona mudzimu u tshimbila nayo muthu ni nga wana ko flourish nga nḓila ine you were not expecting it. That is why I even said to you ri tshiṅwe tshifhinga tshi ṱoḓa na grace ngori hafho nene ndavha hone I know there are people who can sing better than me,
but then you have the favor.
Yeah, you need favor, you need grace, you need to dwell in the word of God and then you need to and obey him. Hey.
Would you preach though? Seems like you can preach, hey? Feel like aparentka itongela ntia baswa rikota amba zwavhuḓi so by the way you are saying all these things.
Ufere na muro na vhutanzi. So
you know the Bible a lot.
Ifani.
Zawukuma.
Mara kwambori arari uzwine nala ni koto yo amba zwifhio.
Yeah, makes sense.
Ndivla zwine na musi na kombetshedza uri kha vha ndo soko dzheneni ngita veni ndo to vha ndo to dzula fhedzi. Yo ati ḓivha uri if it has to happen nga nne unga itea mini mara una fhethu ni na ri no dzhena na for this is I don't belong here. A zwi khou itiswa ngori ni a tonga ani tongi. Ni dovha ni sa ani ngo tea u wanelea henefho zwe na fara a zwi khou yelana na zwine na vha khazwo zwino huna huṅwe hune na zwi pfori hevhila zwine na wana tshiri muya wanga u khumbudza uri ndi takuwe kana muya wanga u khumbudza uri huna zwithu zwine zwi ngo to dzula zwavhuḓi tshiṅwe tshifhinga we need to descend the spirit of God hezwi murena vha tshi amba nayo ni a zwi pfori mara murena vho mbudza ndo to omisa ṱhoho so uri I can preach I can speak the word.
Simple as that.
Yes, I can speak the word and I know my God. And ḓivha zwine ndala.
Ilo la li important but ende vhathu vha songo sofunga u soka mazo la fhedzi u ḽa tshiṅwe na tshiṅwe.
A u sokoliwa tshiṅwe na tshiṅwe. You must select what you need to eat.
And then now I want to ask you, like Nico Trauma, like you say you have talent, you are persevering, like each and everyone. Is there anyone else you're looking up to? Okay, not whenever I'm baso, whenever Russia, and I feel like wako non takura, and I want to be like them. But whenever to baso, whether local or international.
And my role model was Ntokozo Map. Yeah, like I used to love it from even before I called myself Newi, because Newi it's a stage name. She was like that woman who I just felt connected with her. Ngori nendo arwa mudini nei my mom and my dad ba ndibana bamzimu. So we grew up in a Christian family and Narine raba introduced to that. So hayani music where I shoot ambai it was only gospel. Ndiye pale rachi were exposed to it and ndari for music when I connect na wandu waonola I just connect with this person.
So you don't listen to anything other than gospel for now?
I do listen to dzinyimbo za rufuno tindi rufuno ni dzinyimbo dzine dzamba nga rufuno ndi azithetsheleza dziani ṱuṱuwedza vho ngotori come on muthu wanga kha dingeno I mean ani ngo khakhela muthu avho fhethu ni khamba na muthu wano dzinyimbo dzine as long as they don't contradict you with the word of God, then I'm okay with it. Yeah.
Even the house, you must listen to house.
I do listen to house. That is why ndikambori nyimbo ine as long as chikapadzi airwedzani nazvo zva mudzimu be right.
Yeah, and then with you guys about gospel, out of him to the gospel artist, I always think ndavala vatu vane vadzibva pera ava mwari vatodzidza dzinyimbo vadzisampla dzakare murao chimwe na chimwe. Is that what you do also?
No, I don't do that. Muraundo wambo uri chimwe chifhinga zvi-influence wanga dzisermon napetune navanihon.
Yeah.
So nendejena kereke, there's a church I belong to, and I have a covering.
Yeah.
Atitoba mndoshana sokova in and out adivi nazvori uya gai ndi muthu anende dana zori when I need this I have a father that I run to. So unamiraiza ine sometimes you just need to sit and listen to the word. Zvazori niimbe nichipezoimba nasa stage inatowa nayayani like
no. And they do that some.
Yeah, so I prefer uya kerekeni namusada nong-invita ndiya kerekeni ndazora pasi ndapfamulaedza unemurena vakotodwamba naye ngandarari avovona zvimwe ndiyavavudza in time or this is what's going to be happening. But in most cases hune ndava ndikoyawo nei I attend ndijena service and ndijena service ndikwambori nditomana service tiveri ndikodoimba I must understand and know the mood and atmosphere of that place where I'm invited to. Ngori nidoinvitwa umwe nawana nisadhivi uri varosha mudzimupi ingonosokosvika nagonya stage ini naimba zvamurena kasi komati umwe nengeyo vakorerera midzimu yavo.
Have you ever been to a church you feel like no, I'm not going to be comfortable singing here? Can I ministering?
Zvithu zvine ndazviitai I pray before I accept an invitation. Tine chimbiza ndingasati hayi ndi-right I'll tell you I'll come back to you, let me first check dzischedule dzanga rodzoimisa hani ndikwambori nikoinvita vo you're not expecting kuti ndinga 3 years same time same day. I need to sit and ask God, do you really want me to go there now? Your conscience will tell you ari kwambori mudzimu vadoruma mutu uri nisongoya mara your spirit will confirm if really you need to go there or not.
Did the spirit confirm this?
Yeah. Really? Remember last year there were excuses. I'm saying it is, they don't go. Mara maybe murana prepare as the levels the way you worry. No, don't worry. There will be a time where you will go there and it's not a matter of saying go there and shine or let people know. No. Murana vachibeya. Una mutu otorindiriwa ngezvo zvithu. Arana wana skodila nisongokwata uri why zvikodilea ndingauri vathu vane murena vako vaprepara avathu varedi mara arari chipinga chotenda mudzimu vadozviita uri zviitei. So I know uri even this huna vathu vanei mudzimu votovavechera uri vazvipfe izvi zvithu. Mara for last year maybe it was not meant to be or it was not relevant to what I want my people to hear. True. Yeah, so I don't believe in delays. I know God's time is the best.
Isaiah was it?
Yes.
And then also, I think after Ngango Mrena, you started releasing almost every year. You were releasing something. Like, what was the reception in your album?
After our first project, we sat down. Yeah,
of course, it's we. It's a we thing.
So remember I was in Pretoria.
Yeah.
We sat down. Asokopana zvimwe zvithu zvori resign mishumoni yacho. My husband is a civil engineer, a qualified civil engineer. And then ndikoshuma kaimwe company as a legal clerk. We had to resign.
Both of you?
Yeah.
At least I'm going to
look.
In Italy.
And I'm going to remember, it was after our proposal. We need to enjoy our honeymoon. We need to enjoy, Gauteng.
How was the honeymoon?
It was perfect. It was great.
Where
good.
Did you go?
Royal guy. Ndarasoko watu wasikochimbira umwe na umwe. Mara rango ya Paris kana Dubai. Hayi. Aronga watu woto yeso okure. Rudo watu woto leo ne payani. Ape honeymoon ikotori yan Paris. Ninga ya Paris na mionorwa.
I get it, man.
Hey, kana nambo diana dedera Manhattan Hotel afuna ningona one at the best honeymoon. Hey, honeymoon is just about bonding and having fun together. So we resigned and Richie resigned arikoya venda. ri khou dzula Venḓa
nga Njelele kana
Njelele. So you can see from Pretoria to Venḓa ani khou ṱuwa ngori mishumo yo fhela, ni khou ṱuwa ngori no to dzhia decision uri we are resigning. We want to serve God full time. Yeah, because our first project we were saving and ri khou ya na mishumoni. So serving God full time, it was a decision we took, both of us. Ra ṱuwa ra seva kha iṅwe kereke hanefhaḽa, then by God's grace hanefho murena vha ri sustainer. Vha ri sustainer. That's why we ri tshi ya Venḓa, before ri tshi ya Venḓa ra ro no vha u thoma u ṅwala dzinyimbo. Nda no thoma na u ṅwala dzinyimbo zwezwo ndi khou ya mushumoni, murena vha khou sokou amba uri okay, write this one. Ri khou sokou ya mushumoni ra vha na, I think it was almost a month before we resigned. Ri khou travel ri tshi ya Venḓa, ri khou dzhena kereke. Ri khou travel every Friday after work. We go to Venḓa. Ra ya kerekeni after church 2 o'clock ri khou swika Pitori. 6 o'clock uko viwa uko prepare uko iwa mishumoni. That was our life. I think for a month after we took as a decision yori no, let's just resign and go that side full time. Ndi musi vhana vhasathu vhone, so we were flexible to move around. Ṱuwa ra dzule nengi na dzinyimbo dze ra ro no ṅwala nga ngoba murena ra ro no ṅwala ngori it was the song that came when I was in the car ri khou bva mushumoni. Things were tough that time.
What was happening?
Ni a wana ni khou shuma na wana ni sina na peni ende vhuvhili a vheiwi mara ni sa ḓivhi tshelede i khou fhela gai. U khou sokou vha na zwithu zwine a ni khou pfesesa uri tshelede i gai and we don't have anything, like what's happening with our lives. Where are we really going? Mara sokou uri you know what, above all nga ngoba murena lori we just find ourselves we just find ourselves eating, we just find ourselves, you know, breaking through. U khou sokou vha na zwiṅwe zwino khou sokou bvela ende nga tshifhinga nda ni si muthu wa dzi gigi nda sathu thome zwa inviteiwa. Ngori nda khou tou ya kerekeni Venḓa ri tshi vhuya ndi mushumo, kerekeni Venḓa tshi vhuya ndi mushumo. And then
izwo zwa sokou contribute kha u fhedza tshelede also.
Vha tshi ri thusana nga transport. So at least naho na musi nane ra ri khou bvisa na henefho and we were like, you know what, God murena vha khou dzi vhoni dzimbelu dzine dza khou vha seva and ra ri tshi ri khou reila ri khou bva ri Venḓa zwo ri ro swikisa hayani hani ra vha ri sa ḓivhi ngori tshiṅwe ra ri tshi driver ro neta mara we had to arrive nga ndavha yori we need to go to work. Mara I'm not saying people should risk that. Hanetiwa vhathu vha ya awela mara ni ro vha na grace yori mudzimu vha ri tshimbidza through in zwezwi nda ri khou tshimbila it's long distance every week ra ri tshi vha ri Venḓa and we became exhausted nga zwezwo mara ra ḓivhudza uri murena vha khou vhona mbilu dzashu. God will reward us and a sokou vha na uri you are recording ngendikhendini la kereke. The pastor was like, I'm offering you are going to do a live recording hanefha kerekeni. So this is our second project. The first one we did, we used our own money, our loan money. The second one, God provided us with a pastor who provided us with a sponsor. Like they sponsored us with everything we wanted. Mara ra khou tea u itela hanefho kerekeni. Ra isa na dzinyimbo dze ra ri khou dziṅwe dza dzinyimbo dze ra dzi ita ndi nyimbo dze dza takwa hanefha la kerekeni vhafunzi vha khou funza. We write down vhafunzi and my husband wa tamba keyboard. So ndi keyboard na bass guitar. Vha tamba instrument iṅwe na iṅwe vhala zwino. Dziṅwe na dziṅwe dzi a fariwa kereke dzhena. So it was easy for us because I was a worship team leader. So ho vho tshiri maybe ṱhaṅwe ni khou rabela vha sokou vha na a different melody then I bring verse. Khaipolakhaini la melody. Kana usoko vana disoko create a certain melody out of praying. Then you bring me the verses. She wants to compile line. Okay, fine, we'll capture that line. We go home, we sit down and we talk about the song that we just received. What do we do with this song? Then we go to the scriptures. What can we say about this song? I'll give you an example. And then ngangoba murena rishi recorder. And this is lazera wana nyimbo golweni. Okay, ngangova mrena. After ngangova mrena, what happens? Why are we saying ngangova murena? That's why we realize we say kha vha ode murena ne ri tokopana ngauri ndi vhone vha murena vha vhoṱhe. Indeed you are the Lord, because we saw uri murena vho ri tshimbidza nḓilani dzoṱhe zilani dze ra ri khou ya Venḓa ri tshi vhuya and then still ra dovha ra wana provision out of nothing. Yehova vha ḓi vhonadza henefho. Was one we did our second project ngangova murena and boom ngo ya takuwa as if like we didn't have the first project. So I got the opportunity to introduce myself.
Through that one.
That's when people about to modibori and there's no vendors, ila Gauteng yote ila ni na nione kayo ndio niko to monidiba ni venda.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is the lady who did that song in first project. Oh, this is the lady. And now they start to think, oh, we thought it's new. It's Newi.
Yeah.
Auntie, oh, Newi ni muvenda. And we got like a lot of testimonies from people from different countries, not only Limpopo. And they nepera sa kodibori oluri mbonga ngova mrena rudo ya international. Unini ngawana mutu from Zambia kori I saw your song ngova mrena. I don't understand the lyrics, but God has spoken to me through this song. Yeah. So from that day we knew uri nawo mudzimba kori ṅwala ni nyimbo nga Tshivenda arali vha khou ṱoḓa uri iye kha Nigeria I do swika. And he has his own way of interpreting that song to that person, because when they come to me or testifying, they're not saying please interpret, they just say God just spoke to me through this song. I don't understand it, but there's a connection that I feel when I sing this song. So when you explain to them, they'll be like, oh, no wonder. Oh, no wonder it's like this. Was one. Then after that, we went to the third one. The third one, it was Mudzimu Eethe. From Mudzimu Eethe, it was like now in a day.
Funny enough, all these albums, zina ruimbo rutirine rudovaraba the name of the album, because even Mudzimu Eethe is dead also. And they blow up so well.
So this is just a confirmation. When you read the word, zwine zvatakadza nga ifila mzimu ndi zvori ifila mzimu ti alizvipi ende anikoni ulinanisa anikoni ulifungudza arali khori ndi mudzimu Eethe anikoni uri ndi mudzimu Eethe mara ndikwamba uri ndi ipfi lawe lo to ṅwala lo to rali even akaisa yoni ndi ene mudzimu Eethe o fanela ngo hulisiwa. So why do you have to come and put some spices in his word lo to imonga eniyo ndira. So mudzimu Eethe loda yoda heyo nyimbo naone rikerekeni ukufunziwa vafunza va kufunza nga I think topic yavo yo ikori honoyu mudzimu Eethe ane ni ramulosha u ḓo vha lamulela kuzvibana. And then mudzimu Eethe honoyo o faneliwa ngo ulushiwa. Okay, fine. He was like, there's a song that you guys must sing on stage. Bring that song. That time I ḓivhi na zwori ndulofhi.
And then he gave you that.
He didn't give us the song because he was preaching and he knew there's something that God wants to do. There was a certain boy or Pireya Chanda, so one. I think babuchita songa bandage. Barongwana mudzimba koti ita something nga zwine nyimbo ya koti yo bva pala. My husband started playing that melody. That he was he was preaching about Mudzimu Eethe. Mudzimu Eethe. Hello dovara sokori Mudzimu Eethe awona nofana awona uyaboguma urulimbo roguma nepo nge hello dova. Ola mwana started to stretch the hand.
Just like that.
There was a miracle that happened through that song. Bafunze bambore I knew God had something to do with a certain song that was supposed to be ikotiyota kwa henepala ngakho no lamulaedza. And there was an atmosphere of miracles actually, because it was not only the boy who received the miracle, mara everyone who was in that service they have a testimony to talk about. Fine, let's sit down. Then we went to First Kings, Second Kings. We read the Bible. We came across the story of Elijah. Yes.
Now you have to go and read the whole book.
Yes, understand it better. Well, now there's always a revelation that comes when you read it over and over again. And I was like, okay, Mudzimu Eethe odibonadza guy. Come Prophet Elijah. He had to reveal himself. out of other gods
Yeah.
kha miṅwe midzimu ngori thi vhona miṅwe midzimu
Yeah.
a tshi vhidza vhaprofita vha bhala uri itani hezwi na hezwi noni shelani maḓi kha dzi khuni ngori a vha khou ṱoḓa uri wawe mudzimu a vhonale u khou zwi vhona. So that's how you write songs. Huṅwe ni fanela you sit down and analyze dzi sermon dzine vhafunzi vha khou ni funza una maanḓa kha milaidza ine ya vha khou funziwa nga vhafunzi vha vheiwe mara ni ḓo ipfa fhedzi when you open your eyes, you open your heart, you open your ears. Uri murena nga uyu mulaidza une vha khou ṱoḓa u amba kha u vhe na zwine zwa itea mbiluni yanga kana kha u vhe na zwine zwa itea vhutshiloni yanga kana kha u vhe na luimbo lune vha lu takusa nga kha nne arali ni muloshi it can be a cry. Uri murena I cannot just come into your presence as nothing is happening. A u vhe na zwithu zwine zwa itea arali isi dembe ngori nne ndi muloshi kha vha mphe luimbo lune kha luye lu kwame lushaka lwavho nnḓa. Then we did that song ra itela vese ungari ri dzhia vhusiku hoṱhe u pange iḽa vese and then I said that yo lapfesa yo lapfela vese ndi yone vhathu thoma complain u ḓivha uri vese ya ṅwaliwa hafha fhethu ipfi ḽi a vhaliwa ende ḽi ḓifhi ni khou ḽi vhala vhaṅwe vho eḓela u khou honiwa u wone vhe ni khou vhala ipfi ni khou ḽi analyze uri we need to make this work. Ti tou vhori zwino vhathu a vha zwi pfesesi vha sokou pfha ungari zwi a ḓifha u ḓivhiwa mara zwi ḓa na kushumele kwa hone ani sokou vha mupfumi zwawo mupfumi ha eḓeli mupfumi u tea u shuma muloshi a eḓeli muloshi u tea u rabela muloshi u tea u ḽa ipfi.
Do you also sleep at some point then I saw the rainbow in your dreams and you have to wake up?
Zwo ndi eḓela na founu ngori ndi a zwi ḓivha na zwori nda to eḓela fhedzi ndi tshi vuwa a ri tsha ḓovha hone oluya luimbo ende na eḓela ni ḓo zwi pfha murena vha ḓo fhira vha fha muṅwe ai ndi vula zwine na ḓo wana uri olu luimbo ndo no lu pfha ṅwe fhethu mara ndi lwa vha lu khou tea u vha lwo shumisiwa wo lu shumiwa nga inwi mara because you were ignorant and you were lazy to wake up and hear the spirit of God speaking to you, God had to pass and give it to someone who was willing to you know to receive. So it comes with Lord, I'm ready a lot. A lot.
But then also, with all these sacrifices, which I mean, is it making money? Because what at
first, ne, ndichito amba yani uri ndikorizana ngo uneno uzopfi dzia photo azkonadze no la changa nge kambudza weke guru apana ndikoriche kunozo nichi divori na nichi posanyana ngange baba kwa story abantu badochitisana. Like they just got married. Both of them are resigning and they're coming back to Venda. How are you going to survive? And we were like, this is what we've chosen. And we know don't worry about anything. God will provide. Husband. So Raya, right as a project. Night as also upload. But somehow God was sustaining us. At first it was not making money. Because remember, chimwe chifhinga ni chiva una dzi sponsors dzine ni tshi dzi wana ani benefit chithu mara mimuya ya vhathu iya benefit. My few projects that I did I didn't benefit anything financially mara I believe uruna vhathu vanji vane murena o shuma nga khavho kezila project dzoṱhe dzine nda dzita mara ezila dzi project dzoṱhe because I was doing it out of love and I was doing it to serve God. God is rewarding me now. The invitations dzine nda dzi wana zwino ndi dzi invitations dza mudzimu earth. Remember ndi dzi invitations dza nga ngova murena and remember nga ngova murena ri kwamba kha project iphiyo 2 I have 9 albums. 9
in your latest minabe
spontaneous worship.
Spontaneous. Why is that word?
So spontaneous worship the project dzimwe dzanga dzenda dziita dza dzine zwo ri kwa track number 1 ri kwa song number 2 ri kwa song number 3 nichi stop and choose funa zwo now I need to prepare myself for song number 3. So this one we name it spontaneous worship because we were like, God, this is your move. Right now whatever that will be happening on stage doesn't matter. We are not going to say, guys, we need to go to number 3, we need to go to number 7. No, if God wants to do something as song number 5, things that we didn't prepare, let it be. And then I check most of my songs, that's how it was. We were flexible enough to allow the Spirit of God to move.
Also, no 5 minutes. Worship
medley. Chigubu medley.
Medley is last.
Medley.
Ndito remix it.
Medley ndi mix. Ti vanga remix. vari mixiti zvino rine medley ri vari kuamba uri ndi nyimbo nzhinji dzotangana nawo mara raita nthihi because I can still say worship medley mara worship medley I'm not saying it's only nyimbo nthihi ndi nyimbo dzotangana nawo dzinji then we make it one so spontaneous worship comes ngazvezvo uri murena hezvi nasedza nyimbo dzangati dzimwe ndi 10 minutes and nyimbo ya 10 minutes haitenderiwi kazi album like our aim ndio nyimbo ifanova 5-6 minutes enough 6 minutes is limit so 10 minutes zvamuna zori hapo peto muthu angapojena nyimbo 3 mara inti and asi chitu chiti chikoiteyawo there was a lot going on kadzi nyimbo izvo zvithu so spontaneous worship was a way of saying we allow the spirit of God to move you were not allowed to cut ara yekotenda ujia 20 minutes raro we were ready for that
I saw if mini ndichibona the album art I thought comes home to angavechena kereka chigubu and also naka music video like the way
zvila
I'm like umntu nadzi roots za kereka chigubu don't you have them
makuru anga bo makhavu va merula vava mufunzi mara bo risiya baba mufunzi wa chigubu na makuru anga vamufumakadzi anepala rachidhiya nyana mara zvodhanga chiambaro chachigubu ti it was just I mean we need creativity we need the wisdom
iwe ramzezvo
you see you need ndodava vathu vane chimwe chipinga ingwinisa kuzviumbura vakona zvivona uri I think we can do better when we do this you can do it better when you put this you can do it this way if you do that so he has that wisdom he's a good producer he has been my producer with my all albums.
Is it just a producer or even the manager? Can I just manage yourself? Not
it's like, us
it's a home thing.
Yeah, it's us, it's me and him. So he's managing, he's producing and it's just the two of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then also, I'm sure you can see this poster. What happened to the music tour? That was supposed to happen. I was looking forward to it a lot. Oh my God.
Hey, no, Niti.
You want me to zoom in?
You don't. Yeah, ne. Chimwe chipinga ri apana zvesvo zvilandikamba nazvo chimwe chipinga ri plana rasokobona ngari zvikotiyo vangeniyo ndira mara murena vasazvi approve not uri anongova apfa mara huna zvimwe zvine vanga vakotoda univechera zvakwine upire zvine nangotoda ita zvone. So by that time we had dates, we had everything prepared, people were in, it was easy for us, but just something just came up, you're not ready. You need sometimes you just need God to speak to you in a secret place and in a quiet place, because when you are too busy you anchava pabachamba morena vambi pushoni, you need to have some time and you know what, God speak to me.
And then what you are tikiti wo refundiwa kana dzasatotomoya vatu no I think dzasatotomoya vatu one right
wo wana wo renga wo wana number tine bachirenga T1 chelede apala une namba nikorenga one ni yakona wana refund ngori nene approve or we are no longer going forward with this event, then they're able to refund back the money.
And then you had a lot of people come in. Man, do you have a good relationship with everyone? Kana vangu these mutual friends vangu vane vavadiva.
Shibana vamdzimu ndivana vamdzimu vatu vote ndivana vamdzimu.
Vodara vatu.
Vodara ti?
Some I don't even know. Okay, the majority I do know, mara some I don't. So I was like, ne vatu vavadiva vote.
Yeah, iba ni mutu wa vatu. Yani batuni nisongokonda manu wanara yani batuni ndizvo zvazvikadhiamba nevalo uri grace. You know, when grace locates you, it's not difficult for you to reach out to his people. And the nabatu whenever for with this one I cannot deny it. With this one I need some time. Mara una ngune murena bachamba una mtu wato zifori, this is where I need to be. This is where I need to be. So yani vathu ndizvo zvine ndangatamba zvona zvino vamwe risokopfunga rezvi nichiinvitwai you must just say pay me umwe asi pay me.
You do free shows sometimes?
Yeah, we do free shows navathu vanena vanengoshoma navo chimwe chipinga ini adhewana makotambori no just a token of appreciation will be better. That's what I do nanendo rari vangotonga unongari newe nga vachibhadhira ma100,000 no mushumo mudzimu haubhadhiriwe. No, I'm being honest. Yeah, nati charge ndiva ndikotoamba vongo riri ara ndikudzura Gauteng na vanokontoda Thohoyandou because this is what I do for a living. I mean, meet me halfway.
Where is halfway?
Don't calculate it and show me if you're good. Then we were told get in the coffee rangana.
Oh yeah.
Then I also need to eat. And yes, you know.
Grocery. Rojanaka 50 up. 50,000.
You? Yena pone mrena baba kwamboria kapa muri wenga hey. Iba right. Tisu no vampiruni.
Yeah. And then do you do features a lot of people like ndikoto nyaka umtu achidana feature kana just like one mtu nanga available I can work with them as long as mfini muya wabo uko align na zwine nda kutenda kazvo.
Chine chavana chono muti ndingasimudive na mupedza ti.
Hey.
Ndingastori bathu vothe vane ndava ndikuimba navo. Bangandira ifiyo.
Let me check that.
Yeah. Mara, zvinene ndazvidiva ndizvori. Ndiamba na murena uri murena. Please bring me people that will not vangasisorise mushumo wavo.
Oh yeah.
Avampe bathu vane avasorisi mushumo wavo. Zvinera zvidiva ndizvori shango liyaridhiva. Komwana. Mara atikotoda uri vari ovidzananyi not uri perfect kana perfect but I don't want to find myself in a state where people they have questions kotoda uri vatu rikori we are having a worship night, they must receive God and not being judgmental to mutu anenomuvidza. That is what I've been trying to avoid.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, so ndizvo zvine rava ri kuzvisedza nazvezvo.
Okay, and then also are you ever gonna come to a point where you're like, hey nane ndiyakuita like rufuno kuita the final bow and you say I'm done, I've had enough albums? Final bow yakuma even.
As much as you're still serving God, I don't think for my side una ufiri yawo era murena. Kamba, I'm speaking for myself.
I get it.
Tuna, whenever they have his own reasons. He has been into music like for some time, quite some time. So I'm still young, and there's the word mrena dinchumisa msindono vamwaruwa. One, Mara, kaube whenever ambori. I think now it's enough. You know, now we'll stop when my voice is gone. Yeah, I'll stop serving him when I know now I can't sing, not what I can sing. I'll stop serving him in music only if Mrenaba decide to gel voice. But Lishka Devoni, I won't stop serving him.
Yeah. And then awards, nominations, what have you gotten?
See, awards.
Say albums are 9, they should come with something.
I do. I think I have around 10 awards.
10?
Yeah. I have. Ndinji. Album ngwene ndava nayo ina award.
Nani leo Toma?
Nayo Toma. Ya Toma ndina award ya ubona ingwedzi yawo zinofi Femini not ingoma, ngoma. Farimini la zilazi award. Yeah, yenda wana song of the year ka album yanga. Yobe yindo nditemwe ngimino we bless your name. And then second album nda wana song of the year Gangoba Mren.
Of course, yeah.
Yes. And then third album, it was Mudzimu Earth. There was a Song of the Year and the Best Worship Album. I think it was Ichima Popet. Song of the Year, Mudzimu Earth. And then he had chapter 4, No Other God But You. Yeah, we are Chukua. Atungoipusha ndasingoipusha yeah ndajumpa ndayaka jump ka chapter 5 chapter 5 indoita bamurena wa marena ndio ninda wana song of the year nayo
Kalima song of the majority
yes ziba zizi song of the year Lima ndajumpa ndayaka chapter 6 nayo yo unabo ndaita ndina album njingo zibana indaita muhuru.
Funny enough, I know these things. Maricheda album.
Yes, ndaita 80. Yo, Jehovah. dzipisarema na dzingosha and then zvino ndowana asikare kare ndowana ka spontaneous worship best praise song of the year kadzi crown awards chigubu medley and then ndowana nisongombudza mara dzanga dzatisangapereri
rather uita ndira because I King D angodana yawe rofu asidana yawe now is you
then you should have reminded me.
I didn't know I didn't know which hours do you have also.
Is it mara dzanga dzisangapereri apana next time
rinastafula churani rinachazi awadi
and ngola kuma ish yo Jehovah
also Chigubu medley it was also nominated for Song of the Year Kachima last year. You are going against the piano
so na ngori abalani nabone nabo baba nabatho bakudivote mara tizivoto ziamba so awinaye bo vota ngofulupedze so now I got award ya best female artist Kachima ndawana last year I got like 5 I collected 5 awards nga last year pets ngori unaimwe ya best diva ine ava Limpopo ange so ndi abafumakadzi ndawana best worship album and then ndawana nazi ingoma ndawana best worship song ndawana the crown ine yava ene ya chigubu medley ndawana
dzodhara dziyahangwisa ti
dzodhara vathu
ne
dzodhara mara ndi Grace ndiona
wala ndichoshavera vese kuri Grace
dziva dzonodharesa mara I collected like 4-5 awards.
Do you have a song ya ntudzipa tuchedzo ningadzivarana I just thought of it now.
Yes
achikwamba so I was like
they ita worship house ine ava dzipa tuchedzo dzenedzi dzivao amurena dzone ningadzivarana.
So you don't use autotune because it sounds like the original album now when you
and that is divine zvo autotune
really
no
akuramisa kupanga basiyo
ndiyavabudza uri hela si voice langa kavabvise zvisvo zvevajenisa urai let's keep it original
okay and then also we're celebrating like Women's Month because this airs on Women's Month edition so it's a series in vari kutozama ubvisa vafumakadzi uplifta vanhu kana vaditosa vamwe vafumakadzi so what does Women's Month mean to you actually before start to motivate vamwe just to you?
It's deep ngori ne uyangane thina ndi mufumakadzi ndisokofori mufumakadzi uibari mini ubuthogwa ubva January
at least you guys have a month
uska December so mara though huna a certain month ine appreciate wangayo nendipfori zviva zvibuthogwa appreciate every day and ngori ndazvidiva nazvori impact ine mufumakadzi aidisa mutani iva ikhulwane ufi mufumakadzi otakalawo upata mudhi wawe like mufumakadzi otakalawo ni awona na mudhi wawe uri hotakaliwa vana vavo ni avona votakala like everything in a family it's just a happy place it's a peaceful place une avana mufumakadzi so rezidona zvori zvinji zvine zvava zvikuitea nawo eno orari rezidona zvori there's a woman behind you your mom. I know. I wanted to say I don't have a wife. I know you're not married, Mara Uri. Your mom had an influence in your life.
True.
Just to go to Diambo. Wananga eat any meaning. Wananga do this. Wananga do that. Uto the ainera ziambaro. We know mfumakazoni good. Uto ni goodisa. Uto bika pezi. Your mom had an influence on that.
Yeah, true.
Uto kuambere kwa zitu, kufarere kwa zitu. Mfumakazi had an impact on that. So mfumakazi. They are treasures, man. Vafarenisa makumba.
Are you treated like one? What does it do for you to show that?
You show me love. Parufuno. Yeah, I know he loves me.
Yeah,
but I'm Shem.
What are you thinking about now? Because now you're like, yeah, I know he loves me.
Yeah, he loves me. He does.
And then for a women that's watching out there and maybe they wanna like because you actually said a lot of things shangapata mtu wa msidzana matomo nenge so what is that you really wanna say urori ndiko point out is uri nachira so uchiriano you will like make it in life like a woman like I did also ndawana this grace that you keep talking about
zwine nda nga amba zwone kha arali kha ṅwana wa musidzana thi henefho ne anga vha hone anga vha khou ḓivhisa uri wo swikisa hani tshine tsha vha hone ndi tsha uri ni tea u zwi ḓivha uri ni ḓo aluwa thi henefho hune na vha hone age ine na vha khayo a imi next year you will be turning another year and ḓivhudziseni uri ni tshi aluwa ni khou ṱoḓa vha mufumakadzi ḓe ni tshi aluwa ni khou ṱoḓa uri vhathu vha tshi ni vhona vha ni humbule nga mini ṅwana nṋe ndo aluwa muḓini une like I said uri my parents ndi vhana vha mudzimu I grew up in a Christian family and u aluwa hafhaḽa fhethu zwo nthusa uri hu vhe na zwithu zwinzhi zwine ndi zwi shavhe ndi khou aluwa sa ṅwana wa mudzimu ri a zwi ḓivha uri zwo zwa mahalwa a hashu vhu sa nwiwi zwa mafola zwa sa itiwi naho ni ṅwana na tshi ḓivhisa why vhaṅwe vhana vha tshi ita mara na zwi ḓivhi zwo zwi khou thusa inwi matshelo uzwana zwa vhatukana na vhasidzana hako tsanga futhi vhune vha tshi raka zwi tshi ḓafho no and na sa zwi ḓivhi uri why vhaṅwe vhana vha tshi ita kasi vha khou ni vhumba uri ni vhe mufumakadzi o imaho ngauri ngori arali na ite zwi sokou phaḓalala na shango ḽoṱhe just imagine ni khou tou maliwa na wana ngoho ni khou tou vhaliwa nga vhathu vha sa fheli uri na fhaḽani ndo fhedza just imagine huṅwe na huṅwe hune niṅwe na fhira hone muṅwe sokou ri nda ndi tshi daya naye uyu kana ndi nwa naye like do you have a good story for people to talk about when they look at you kana are you a good role model ine vhaṅwe vhana vha tshi kaidziwa ti una vula uri toto sidza ṅwana wavho nyinyi ani gudi ngaye ini wine sari vha gude nga nne
ushumise
ini sa example a good example not a bad one uri songo ḓita ṅwana wa gai no tell yourself uri nṋe ndo rari ndi kha ḓivha muzana na u tshi pfi a u tshena musidzana kha ilo shango inwi a u thome nga inwi uri musidzana u kha ḓivha hone and u ḓo thoma nga nne hafha muḓini arali khou pfi vhana vha hafha muḓini vhoṱhe vha no halwa kha u thome nne wa hafha muḓini uri nga nnḓa ha mufhio ane hanwi ṅwana zwino kha ṅwana wa musidzana hune a vha hone a songo tenda u influencewa nga dzikhonani mmbi kha nange khonani vhukuma and arali hu sina khonani vhukuma it's not bad to be alone
khonani ndi yeso
nahone khonani ndi yeso man khonani ndi yeso hedzi dziṅwe khonani dzi vha dzi khou tou ni thusa vho uri kha ri ite homework roṱhe you know songo boreyavho mara a true friend is God and Jesus
and then are you guys treated the same in the industry like male and females kana you can see uri hapa noni hai na ri khou farwa zwone
thi ḓivhi man a thi ḓivhi ngori zwilidzi zwo fhambana kufarele kwa zwithu a ku nga fani mara zwine nda ḓivha zwone ndi zwa uri nne kufarele muthu ane a ḓo kha ndi fariwe nga nḓila ine a i nyadzisi mushumo wa mudzimu kha ndi fariwe nga nḓila ine nne ni nga nyadza mara ni songo nyadza hoyo a ri kha nne if you are not ready to respect the God that I have then please don't invite me.
You're not ready to work with me.
No. Then you're not ready to work with me. Arali ni khou ḓo andamana zwine mudzimu a vha zwone kha nne ndi pfha uri zwi vha zwi khwine ri songo vhuya ra ṅwana
guys hi amba a u tshina zwiṅwe zwinzhi zwine anga ambani
zwo ḓalesa na ḓivha
ti nyovuya you wanna come back ti
we should have started last year. Just no last nda sanga chimbili nga ndavha ya miwalona. Miwalo ya korile mela.
Miwalo ya ndemela. Chikalo chitula mura.
Miwalo ya settled a long distance and
come back and have this talk.
Tina mangela ela event yela rai stopper. Nandi kwatenda kori mudzima was preparing me for better things because remember we said it was a celebration of 10-year anniversary of being in this industry because it's not easy. Azongoleluwa ubaka gospel industry ngore idzabuya man just imagine go nato recorder the views dzano na wana dzisa koyela na mwana kuita zwa shango ngange because and zwashu phe zwina influence huko wini wa mimuya to the kingdom of God. So the enemy must fight it. Muvi uya tea u lwa nazwo uri ari khou ṱoḓa hezwi zwi konadzei uri zwi ye kha gai hoyu ri kha ḓi mu ṱoḓa shangoni ṅwana so hezwi zwi ṱoḓa na thabelo ri khou lwa ri kha iṅwe nndwa ine ri khou ṱoḓa Yehova vha tshi ḓivhiwa shango ḽoṱhe eḽinoni so nga dzi 1 dza November this year we are still continuing. Ri ḓo ita 10-year anniversary celebration ya this industry, thanking God uri yova ri khou livho tshimbidziwa nga vhone vhaṅwe vho nyama nḓilani mara ri khou livho uri tshashu tsha nnḓa vha tshi vho tshi fara and say Lord we thank you and ri khou tenda uri vha kha ḓo dovha vha ri tshimbidza uya na uya angei state theatre ri khou ḓo ita celebration ya 10-year anniversary of being in the industry, so people should get ready because raro ri zwi ḓo itiwa nga October but then we move to November uri muṅwe na muṅwe fanela vha a hone afho fhethu nga dzi 1 dza November.
So yeah, 1st of November guys, if I get ready lugisani dzi tshelede dzo renga tikiti nje ni then loshe mdzimu
and zwino ti ape tikiti ava khou renga newi ava khou renga gospel thi zwino state theatre wa badeliwa ri tshi dzhena vele ri ya tea u badela vhala vhathu na service yavo maḓi mini zwoṱhe miḓagasi zwine vha khou ṱoḓa uri at least ri siye ni vhona something zwino vheiwe ni khou ṱoḓa uri hayi newi kha ise phanḓa na mushumo mara rine ri khou muthusa uri havha vhathu vhane vha khou ri vha khou ṱoḓa zwino ni kha vha zwi wane.
Cash guys ndiye no ipe zino khou ḓa this year you're not dropping anything this year?
I'm working on it. Na pene ndi nga ambora tiko dropa mara machelo na mudri na release studio chena yan. So ari lengi ri ari kari recorder ba mastera vaya recorder. They can do anything, so it's Suzy na yana zvirengi ai.
Yeah, so just be on the lookout. You never know. Ungadida album, ungadida a single or an EP, anything. So yeah, guys, you know, renga ticketing at the 1st of November. She's having a show to celebrate 10 years after 11 years, right?
Yeah.
That's wrong. Yeah, so Erita Zoraro also, she came, she shared whatever she had to share. So what is also fun of sharing and music share. And then thanks a lot for coming, man. That was really good. I feel like none of them take it as yeah, but then hopefully you need to come back.
I have to.
Let's worship deep into it. Yeah, we need to do that one. Yeah, so thanks for coming, man. And then to you guys, I'm sure you had like a good one. I mean, good and no good more even. So yeah, do tune in also. So yeah, this episode was brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. So if you want to know anything about them, there's a number in Radzwarko which is 015-151-0251. So what the one but then render service does a funeral and then we coming at you live from Panda Studios and so yeah, they offer you like the best quality or any you guys always comment about it. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.